my dear students, let's work out on exercise 1.5. It's a question number 1, right? Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Okay, we have to work out either the number is rational or irrational. Very simple. As I have explained you before that also, rational number, a number which we can define in P by Q form. All those numbers are rational under the condition P comma Q belongs to I. They are the part of integer, and beside that Q not equal to 0. Denominator must not be 0. Okay, all the numbers are rational, and rest of the numbers, they will become irrational. Okay, and combinedly rational plus irrational are called real numbers. Clear? Now let's work out what we are given. 2 minus under root 5. Now you can see here 2 individually. If I ask you, that is the rational number, because 2 by 1 in P by Q form we can write easily. But what about this root 5? For root 5, it's not possible to write. So, according to this, it is irrational number. So, we need to write here, it is irrational number. Because reason behind that, actually, what is the reason? That also I'm giving you. Subtraction of rational and irrational, or you can say difference. This word you can use for this. Difference of rational and irrational number gives always the result irrational number. Okay, so let's work out on the second. Second we are given is 3 plus under root 23 in bracket minus under root 23. Okay, this we are given in the question. Now let's discuss. If I ask you to simplify, then we will have to write this here this way, minus root 23. Okay, after opening the bracket. Now as we know, same number opposite sign will be cancelled, so our answer is coming 3 here. Okay, the answer or a solution of this is standing 3 here. As we know that 3 is a rational number, because 3 can be written as 3 by 1. Okay, so we need to mention here it is a rational number. We know 3 is a rational number. We can write it in P by Q form as 3 by 50. Okay, let's work out one more is here. That is 2 root 7 upon 7 root 7. Okay, in such a case, what we have to do? Okay, very simple, very easy. As we know here, 2 into root 7 upon 7 into root 7. Work out on this. Here 2 root 7 indicate product sign between these two numbers. Okay, when we are given this type of 2 root 7 means 2 into root 7, we can separate like that. 7 into root 7, we know the same cancel, root 7, so 2 by 7. 2 by 7 again, you all of you know it's in P by Q form, so of course it is a rational number. So we need to write this is rational number here for this 3 number. Okay, now let's work out on the fourth number. We are given it is 1 upon root 2. The question is 1 upon root 2. Now how to say? How can we say it is rational or irrational? In such a case, we know that it is irrational number. What is the reason? Reason behind that, because when we divide any rational number by irrational number, it gives the result irrational number. So for this, directly we can write it is irrational number. Irrational number. Write it properly. So for 1 upon root 2 is which type of number? It is irrational number. Some rules that we need to follow. Under which rule I have written here that is irrational? As we know that when we divide any rational number by irrational number, the quotient will be irrational number. So I hope question 1 is very much clear to you. Fine. One more part is in that also, that we are going to take it. That is 2 pi. Okay. Now let's discuss. It's the biggest thing, 2 pi. How to go with that? Because there is always confusion about pi to all the students. Okay. See, look at your screen here. I am explaining you the fifth is 2 pi. We are given example. Now, what about 2 pi? It is rational or irrational. Okay. So I should say whenever 2 pi given, always remember it is irrational. What is the reason? How can we go with that? Now I am clarifying you by giving some examples here. Okay. As we know that the pi is a unique number, that it's a value always we are calculating either this, or sometimes the value of this we use to calculate 3.14. Sometimes we are using 22 by 7, sometimes we are using 3.14. Okay. Now just simply I should say, if I use this value, then of course it is in p by q form. Then you will say, ma'am, it is p by q form, so it is rational number. Here, so according to this, the value of pi should be rational. Same way here, 3.14, it's a value we are choosing. So simple, 314 upon 100. Okay, if I simplify it, with this 2 will be common. So I will have here 157. 2 will be common, 2 to cancel. So its answer will be 157 divided by 50. And again you will say the simplification of this is also coming in p by q form. So again it is rational. Then why you are saying it is irrational? What is the reason? As I explain you the value of pi, we are taking 22 by 7 for our for our comfort while solving the sum only. Okay. Actually, in reality, when you really divide 22 by 7, the amazing results you will gain. Let's try. In short, roughly I am showing you here 7, 7 3 ja. Here it is 1, 0, 0, 0 will go on. So 10, 7 1 ja 7, 30, 7 1 ja, sorry, 7 4 20, 7 2 ja 14, 60, 7 8 ja 56, then 40, then 7 5 ja 35, then 40 minus 35, 5 will be left, so 50, then 7 7 ja 49, then 10, then again 7 1 ja 7, then 30, then 7 4 ja 28, then 20, then 7 2 ja, like that you can see it is going on. Again and again these numbers are repeating here. 142857, 142857, 142857. So actually real value, if we want to write according to that, the value of pi we are gaining is pi equal to 142. The value of this, what we got, 3.142847, like that. Okay, 142847, 142847, like that, and so on. Means this is 3.142847. In that, all these 6 digits are repeated. Okay, so if we go on endlessly, this procedure will go on till the end. Okay, but still you will not get the final answer. But of course we know that this number is non-terminating. Fine, this number is non-terminating, and all the non-terminating numbers are always irrational. Okay, so in reality, always remember irrational. The value of pi is irrational number. And of course, when we multiply any irrational number with rational number, multiplication or a product of irrational with rational number, it gives the result irrational. So the answer of this is irrational number. I hope all up to here is clear nicely.